We've prepped and primed our surface to perfection. Now it's time to unlock the performance engineered into every pellet of Tuff Coat. Proper mixing is what guarantees consistent texture, uniform color, and reliable slip resistance across your entire project.
Proper mixing matters. Tuff Coat contains rubber aggregate that must be fully resuspended for consistent texture and performance. A standard drill with a mixing paddle is sufficient for properly blending gallon containers. For 5-gallon pails, heavier-duty mixing equipment is recommended to ensure the aggregate is evenly distributed throughout the coating. Start from the bottom and work your way up. You want to pull all that settled material off the bottom and fold it into the mix. Keep the mixer at a low to medium speed. Your goal is to blend, not to whip air into the product. Take your time until the color and consistency are completely uniform.
Now for a pro tip that will save you from callbacks on large jobs: boxing your material. Have a project that will require more than one pail? Pour them all into a larger container and mix them together. This eliminates any minor batch-to-batch variations and guarantees a single, consistent color across the entire surface.
If the product seems too thick, do not add water beyond what is allowed in the product data sheet. Tuff Coat is formulated to perform at a specific consistency, and over-thinning reduces durability, slip resistance, and overall system performance. Once mixed, let the material rest for just a minute to allow any trapped air to escape. Give it one last light stir, and you're ready to go. Remember that the coating will begin to settle again over time, so make sure to periodically remix the pail as you work to maintain that perfect consistency.
A properly mixed product is the key to an even application, consistent slip resistance, and a finish free of visual defects. You've done the hard work of prepping the surface. Don't let a poor mix stand between you and a perfect result.